All right, number 12 says for women at Hartford College, times to run 400 meters are normally distributed with a mean of 85 seconds and a standard deviation of 6 seconds. What percentage of the time are more than 67 seconds? So, and it says use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. So the 68, 95, 99.7 rule says that 68% of all values in a normal distribution are going to be within one standard deviation of the mean. 95% are going to be within 2 standard deviations. And 99.7% are going to be within 3 standard deviations. So our mean, we're told that the mean is 85 and the standard deviation is 6. So one standard deviation above the mean would be 91. 2 above the mean would be 97. 3 would be 103. Going the other way, 1 standard deviation below the mean would be 79. 2 standard deviations below the mean would be 73. And 3 standard deviations below the mean would be 67. So we're asked what percentage of all runners are going to be above, are going to have a time that's more than 67. So notice that that's 3 standard deviations away from the mean. So we know that 99.7% are going to be between 67 and 103. The other 0.3% are going to be either up here or down here, above 103 or below 67. And so half of those 0.3% are going to be over here. So that's 0.15%. And 0.15% is going to be down here. So everything, all times except for this 0.15% are going to be greater than 67. And so that's going to be 99.85%. 100% minus that 0.15 are going to be greater than 67. So the answer is 99.85%.